How to schedule Instagram Reels on Android. This tutorial walks you through setting a future publish time for your reel so it goes live automatically. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on the plus icon at the top left of the screen to create a new post. From there, tap on Reel to open the Reel Creator. At this point, record your reel or tap on the gallery icon to choose an existing video from your device. In the next step, once your reel is ready, tap on Next to move to the editing screen. From there, add any effects, audio, or captions you want, and tap on Next again to go to the details screen. At this stage, type in your caption and add any hashtags you want to include. Let me show you what to do next. Following this, scroll down through the More options and look for the Schedule option. Tap on it to open the scheduling settings. Once done, tap on the Date field and pick the date you want your reel to go live. From there, tap on the Time field and set the exact time you want it to be published. At this stage, tap on Schedule to confirm your chosen date and time. Following this, tap on Schedule Reel to lock everything in, and your reel will now publish automatically at the time you set. Here's an important note. Instagram lets you schedule reels up to 75 days ahead, so plan your content in advance and let Instagram do the posting for you. And that's it. If this guide helped you schedule your Instagram reels, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.